Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson I'm going to teach you how to give positive and negative answers in Ukrainian language. So поїхали, let's get it started. Guys, if you really like my YouTube channel and if you want to learn Ukrainian language very well, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me likes. Ось так. So when you start learning the Ukrainian language, of course you start practicing how to build very simple questions in Ukrainian language, and also you have to learn how to give the answers. So, and when you come to Ukraine and when you would like to practice your Ukrainian language here, Ukrainians start asking you different questions somewhere in the coffee shop, somewhere, I don't know, at the metro station, etc. And you have to be able to answer, yeah, and if you don't understand the answer, you can just make a very simple answer. Yep. So let me teach you how to reply. So I'm going to teach you how to give short and long answers. So for example, let's imagine you came to Ukraine and you decided to go to the, for example, coffee shop, and somebody asked you, "Ви іноземець?" Ви іноземець? Ви іноземець? Are you a foreigner? And you can just reply, так. Так. Так, it means yes. No, I think it's clear. You just say yes. Okay, and how to say yes, I am. So you can just say так, іноземець. Так, іноземець. It means yes, foreigner. You can ask me, okay, and you said how to say yes, I am. So you can't use this literal answer in Ukrainian language because, first of all, usually we omit in the present tense sentences the verb to be. So literally it would say yes, I, так, я, but it doesn't sound really good in Ukrainian language. So if you want to just say yes, you just say так. If you want to say a little bit longer, yeah, to make your answer more longer, you say так, іноземець. And literally it means yes, yes, foreigner. Okay, and the full answer is так, я іноземець. Так, я іноземець. No, it means yes, I am a foreigner. I am a foreigner, I'm sorry. Yes, I am a foreigner. Yes, I'm a foreigner. I'm sorry for my writing, but it's not really convenient to write just staying like this, but I hope it looks okay for you and it's clear what I'm trying to explain you. And you can see, так, я іноземець. Again, we don't use the verb to be in the present tense. It's also a very useful tip. And we don't have articles in Ukrainian language. So we can see in English you use articles like an, or the, but in Ukrainian language we don't have articles. So literally this answer sounds as yes, I, foreigner. So this is how you can just reply in Ukrainian language. Short answer, так. A little bit longer answer, yes, and then you use a noun or a main word that you were asked about. Так, іноземець, and the full так, я іноземець. Yes, I'm a foreigner. And now let me teach you how to reply negatively. So for example, then you replied, так, я іноземець. Ви англієць? Ви англієць? It means, are you an Englishman? And the short answer is ні. Ні, it means no. Ні. Then ні. A little bit longer negative answer. Ні. Я не англієць. Я не англієць. No. No. I am not an Englishman. Ні, я не англієць. No. I am not an Englishman. Так, ні, я не англієць. Ні, it means no. І не, it means not. So literally, no, I not Englishman, literally. Again, in Ukrainian we don't have the verb to be in the present tense, and we don't have articles. And another variant, how to give long answer, you can say ні, я не англієць. Ні, я не англієць. Я американець. It means no, I'm not an Englishman, I am American. Так? Ні, я не англієць, я американець. No, I am not an Englishman, I am American. Так? Ні, я не англієць, я американець. So, let's repeat one more time. Ні, it means no. Ні, я не англієць. No, I'm not an Englishman. Ні, я не англієць, я американець. No, I'm not an Englishman, I'm American. Or you just say, ні, я американець. No, I'm American. Ось так. I hope this video lesson was very useful for you, and now you know how to give positive and negative answers in Ukrainian language. And if you want to get more video lessons, subscribe to my Instagram, Speak Ukrainian Language, where you can find a very useful 1-minute videos and stories. And guys, if you want to support my YouTube channel, you can do it by Patreon or by donating me some money. Please read the description to this video, you can find there all the information. And побачимось скоро. See you soon. Па-па!